Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to report a car accident on Allstate Insurance online. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you unfortunately got into a car accident and your vehicle was damaged. How do you actually go ahead and report a claim on Allstate Insurance online? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log onto your Allstate Insurance account. Next, you're going to click on Claims on the upper hand side, right over here. Now, once you click on Claims, you're going to see this option here that says File a Claim. So click on File a Claim. Now, a new window is going to appear. And on this window here, you simply just need to start a claim for vehicle damage. So simply just follow the on-screen prompts of giving any names of anyone involved, the damages to vehicles involved, the location of the incident, and the information from a police report. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and report an accident on Allstate Insurance online. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.